Hi guys, in today's video I am going to show you how you can change color of object in Photoshop. So here you can see that I already add an image. So I want to change the color of this cup. So first you need to go here and click on object selection tool, and you simply need to select the cup like this. Okay, now it is selected. You need to come here, and here you can see an option. So you simply need to click here to create a group. Okay, once group is created, you can add a layer mask to this. Okay, so layer mask is added around the cup. Then you need to come here and click on solid color. Okay, and solid color is added, and you need to click here to add brightness and contrast. Okay, so first you need to select the solid color layer, and you need to click here to change the color. So click here as well. So I want red one. Okay, and then you need to click here. Okay, and you need to change to dissolve to check which one you like. Okay, this one is good. And now I want to change the brightness and contrast, so you simply need to select it and change the brightness and contrast that you like. Okay, so it is perfect now. Let me show you this one. So this is original one, and this is we change the color. I think that's look more good. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you want to work with me, you can contact on Instagram or on my email. Thank you. Have a good day.